What if creating a video was as simple as describing it in words? Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, the future just arrived. OpenAI's new tool, Sora, is here to completely change the game for video creation. Sora isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution. This tool takes text to video to a whole new level. Here's what makes it special: transform still images into dynamic video clips, extend existing videos seamlessly, like magic, fill in missing frames for buttery smooth, professional quality results. It's like having a Hollywood studio right in your pocket. And the best part? Sora is available at no extra cost for ChatGPT Plus and Pro users internationally. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. OpenAI understands this. They've taken big steps to address risks like misinformation and bias, ensuring Sora is as responsible as it is revolutionary. We're fully aware of the responsibility that comes with building tools like this. Our focus is on enabling creative freedom while preventing misuse, says Rohan Sahai, Sora product lead. And OpenAI isn't the only player in the game. Meta, Google, Amazon, they're all racing to perfect AI video creation. It's like the space race of the 21st century, but for creativity. With OpenAI recently valued at $157 billion, the stakes have never been higher. But let's be real, this isn't just about tech, it's about people. Early access users have already raised concerns about fair compensation for artists. OpenAI responded by emphasizing voluntary participation and funding grants. But the debate highlights a bigger issue. How do we ensure AI supports, rather than exploits, creative communities? The possibilities for Sora are endless. Picture this: education, bring history to life with immersive video lessons. Healthcare, simplify complex procedures with engaging visual patient guides. Urban planning, visualize future city developments with ease. And for everyday creators, Sora democratizes video production, turning anyone's idea into reality. No expensive equipment or tech skills required. But let's not forget the challenges. With tools this powerful, we're entering an era where deep fakes and misinformation could become more sophisticated. That's why critical thinking and media literacy are more important than ever. So, what's next? Sora is a tool, a powerful one, but it's up to us to shape its impact. By advocating for ethical use, fair compensation, and responsible innovation, we can make sure AI enhances creativity without compromising integrity. The future of video creation is here, and it's in our hands to use it wisely. What will you create with Sora? Let's build a future that inspires, connects, and empowers us all. What will you create with Sora? If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Ask Keisha AI. Hit that like button and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay smart, stay curious, and stay ready for what's next. See you in the next video.